Hello, what is your name?
I'm Marilo Torres.
How old are you?
I'm 29 years old.
What is your religion?
A Roman Catholic.
Are you married?
Yes.
Do you have kids?
Yes.
How many kids? One?
One
How
daughter.
old?
4 years old.
Okay, so how long have you been working in Hong Kong?
1 year and 1 month.
Do you have any working experience in other countries?
In the Philippines.
How many years?
2 years.
Okay, so how long have you been working with your previous employer?
1 year and 1 month.
Okay, so where's your employer living in?
One child.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
500 square meter.
How many family members there?
4.
How many children?
2 kids.
How old are they?
6 and 4 years old.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I will wake up in the morning 6 o'clock to prepare the breakfast. Prepare the clothes. I will fetch to the school, and then I will come back at home, and then I will go to market, and then come back, prepare the food for the Tina. I will put in the fridge, and then I will wash the clothes, hang the clothes.
Okay, how about dinner? What time you cook?
I will cook 6 o'clock in
What?
the evening.
Okay, so what time they eat?
7 o'clock,
Okay,
and then wash the
dishes.
dishes, and then put the garbage, and then
Okay, so what time you go to bed?
around 9 o'clock.
Okay, thank you so much.